Long ago, in the kingdom of Arindale, there lived a great king named Alexander. He was brave, kind, and just, but he often worried about the meaning of life. One night, while walking alone in his garden, he looked at the stars and asked himself 3 questions that he could not answer.
What is the most important time in life? Who is the most important person? What is the most important thing to do?
The next morning, he called his ministers and scholars to the palace. King Alexander,
I will give a reward of gold to anyone who can answer my 3 questions.
some said the most important time was the future. Others said the present. Some said the most important person was the king. Others said the people. Some said the most important thing was war and power. Others said faith and religion. But none of the answers satisfied the king. He decided to search for the truth himself. The king disguised himself as a common traveler and rode into the mountains. There, in a small village, lived a humble farmer named Ethan, known for his simple wisdom. When the king arrived, Ethan was planting seeds in his field. King Alexander,
Good day, old man. I have 3 questions. What is the most important time? Who is the most important person? And what is the most important thing to do?
Ethan smiling.
You look tired, traveler. Come, help me water the plants first. Then we'll talk.
The king was surprised but agreed. Together, they watered the plants under the hot sun. Hours passed. The king grew impatient. Suddenly, they heard a cry from the nearby forest. A man was badly wounded and bleeding. Without thinking, the king ran to help. He and Ethan carried the man to the hut. They cleaned his wound and stayed with him all night. The next morning, the man opened his eyes and whispered weakly,
Please forgive me. I'm a soldier from your enemy's land. I came to kill the king, but you saved my life. I am sorry.
The king was shocked. He realized he had just saved the life of his enemy without even knowing it. He left the man in Ethan's care and stepped outside, deep in thought. King Alexander,
Ethan, yesterday I came for answers. Now I think I already found them.
Ethan,
Yes, my king. You found them through your actions, not words.
Then Ethan explained gently,
The most important time is now, because it is the only moment we truly have. The most important person is the one you are with right now, because you may never meet them again. And the most important thing to do is to do good for that person, because that is the purpose of life.
The king stood silently, his eyes filled with gratitude. King Alexander,
You have given me more than wisdom. You have given me peace.
when the king returned to his palace, he ruled with compassion and understanding. He no longer worried about the future, for he learned that every moment was precious.